So what is a red flag in a girl?
Umuntu ongahloniphi abazali bami, umuntu ongahloniphi, umuntu ohlezi aseyipotini. Oh shit. At least ke makuthi uyaphuza fine nokwakho lo kodwa banesithunzi yabo.
No, okay. So itype komuntu onjani?
Umuntu kind. Short nyana ngoba nawe uyangibona nje. Short but tall somewhere yabo.
Yeah. So vele mangaba umuntu vele
sokuzoya ngayo ukuthi sibonana kanjani.
What do you look for in a relationship?
In a relationship, I want to feel chosen. With you being present and me not being present, okay? Also, respect is my number one value. I also need safety in all aspects. Yes. Yeah. So love, obviously. I feel like under safety, there's love, there's health, there's respect, there's harmony, peace, and all the beautiful things you can think of.
So what is a red flag in a guy?
A red flag in a guy. Guys, my comparison would be chocolate. I love my chocolate dark. I like hot chocolate. I'm into dark, caramel.
Sorry, it was to step. Dog. Hey.
What's the question?
What this is in Javel? Okay, I'm not coming.
Okay. Yes, as I was saying, I like my chocolate dark. I don't like white chocolate. I'm a yellow bone to me. Like nabang khat man. If my backbone doesn't shake a bit, then it's a no for me. I like it dark. Give me biceps. I like my men tall with biceps and dark. Into an foot.
So what is your type? This is the last question.
My type? I think I just described my type. My type of man, dark, tall, biceps.
Yeah.
As well as, beard.
Okay.
And beautiful teeth. Thank you. Yeah, beautiful teeth. Nothing must get stuck in the teeth.
So I'm gonna give you my tickets. So please guys.
Kasongo,
Naming Sandel.
Okay, is this better?
Sharp. Antazan listen just so right. So hello.
Hi.
Injan.
Kita okay?
Happy.
Oh yes, of course.
Cha kuleka bambe kanjalo uzongizwa ngevoice.
Okay.
Yes, izilungisona ngesikhathi sokukhuluma yabo.
Ngicela unganibambe.
Okay, konja usona nezinja. Kodwa siyona. Besasho. Bayigama lakho.
Tsegofatso?
Tsegofatso. What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living?
Yes.
I'm an extra in most of Mzansi soaps. I'm just an extra and an electrical engineering student and a single mother to a beautiful 2-year-old daughter.
Shooting zoba istefat.
Please don't give yourself that title. I'm the one to decide. Thank you.
Okay. Angiyakuzwa. Ngiyajabula ukwazi. Siqale la. Angikuboni kahle yabo. So ngizoba mncane. Ngoba vele ngimfishane kodwa tall somewhere.
Sorry.
Damn!
Right?
Yes.
Okay, but tall somewhere. Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
I'm not a slow learner, dog. You're not dealing with a slow learner, so I got it.
Ngicela kancane sisehlise isilungu yabo.
Isilungu?
Yeah.
No. Bathi kibuye puo yakhe, bathi kibuye Setswana.
Ya uyibuke nayo
O tla ntlhaloganya?
Asmix yabo.
A o tla ntlhaloganya?
Yeah, ngiyathemba.
See, you're already detecting which language I should use or not. It's either you take me for who I am,
Yes, why?
or thank you next.
Yes, why? Ngiyachaza amakhuluma sokungathi ucula ingoma la. Kungigitaza samuda sangithi uyishini. Ukuyivele ngathi manje yabo. ifake R&B, maskandi, yabo konke piano, my voice yakho ikwenza konke kimi yabo. Dasa ngithi uyishintshe kanje.
Oh my God. Okay. So we say umkhuzana nge.
Yeah.
Umkhuzana but tell some way.
Yes.
And what are your preferable physiques in a lady? In terms of physique?
Umuntu omuhle. Ongathanda izinto. Aziphendule kahle.
Hawankaraba sentle. Okay. Setshwantsho sa motho wa gago batla se nne jang?
Setshwantsho.
Yes.
Setshwantsho like
Physique. The outer me.
Oh, yeah, like mangibona so
Yes.
wena. Hawu Nkosi yami. Hey. Nkosi yami ngathini?
Motho ha itse go batlang. Mr. Producer, where are you? Motho ha itse go batlang.
Buka yazi ngifuna into engayazi. Into engakazi ngiyibona.
So you don't have a type.
Ngasho.
So when nasikete singwe se se fetang o tsamaya le sona.
Cha, ukuthi ngihamba naso.
Then how come you do not know your preference? What am I doing here?
Buka angifuni ukuthanda into engiyibonayo, ngifuna ukuthanda into engaphakathi kuwo.
Oh my God. But for you to get to the inner me, you should actually love the outer me first.
Yes, that's right. Into ezongichaza mina, into engakazi ngiyibona ezongichaza ngichazile. Ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ile noma ile. Engichazile.
So what if naked kiss my dog?
Awu shoot ma ngizokuthanda unjalo.
Shwapha?
Ngizokuthanda unjalo, angithi ngithande wena.
Oh, okay. And if I'm taller than you?
Nkosi yami, ma uthi uyangithanda nami ngiyakuthi ngizokuthanda unjalo.
Oh my God. I think he's a bit skeptical and I'm wasting my time. Can I remove this mask? Now? Please?
And nami sacela ukuyikhipha. Lazi bangibize ngenja.
Can I? Thank you. But I asked first. I want only patience. Second encounter. Still a disaster. Batung abuti. Yo, neck sharp. Sharp. Thank you. Inketlele pele neck sharp. I am so. Thanks. Guys.
Hlala phansi.
Ngasikhona nje bye.
Lalela hlala phansi. Hlala phansi. Hlala phansi.
Kupo wena emagama uthi go bona.
Cha.
Bathong baby boy.
Serious.
Bathong wena ntonta go tsala mos. Ngakuzala like.
Serious.
Wait.
Ungazala mina.
Bathong wena.
Qanise.
Yeah.
Singakuzama lokho yazi ngoThomas ngikhola ngokubona mina.
Ngokubona. Sharp. Sharp.
Lalela buka yazini.
Mzansi ngimnathi. Thank you. Bye.
Thingekutshela. Sheshe wajaha. Ungakwazi ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthini. So into espeeda ngiyithandi. Ungathanda ukugijima ku first lane. So
But I've been asking questions.
Sakhuluma lalela. Ungathanda ukugijima ku first lane. Uzolimala. Uhambe ngepace yakhe. Yabona ukuthi unjani? Hamba ngepace yakhe.
Kanti nginjani ve?
Lalela mina ukuthi ngifuna ukuthini. Nami ngikulalela ukuthi uzothini.
Nalelo mntana wami.
Buka.
Cabanga.
Buka. Yazi ngizwe bathi ogogo sebathanda ama Ben 10 and ngizwe bathi yazi asiyeke leyo.
Ubona gogo na? Ngitlo ba gogo wa Slay Queen akere Mzansi yes.
Slay Queen wena.
Gogo wa Slay Queen.
Yazi bangibona wena ne. Ngicabanga 10 rand yokugibela, ilocal 20 rand yokugibela, ijozi, imali yokugibela, ibhasi mangihlanganisa zonke lezi zinto lezo, shoot wena lonke lo mthwalo wazi ukuthwala uyi1 wena. Angazi ukuthi kunjani. Wesley Queen orini ay gijela ibhasi, baloyi, tekisi konke ngefana so.
Hayibo.
Sorry kodwa ngicela nje. Slow man, ngihlisa amaphaphu.
He said something about respect. Do you think this is respectful? I don't think so. And I'm thanks. You are my bana mama Zulu.
Kasongo yeah. Mobali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala.